Good morning. How's it going, Kevin? Emac, Coper, Predator, Evelyn, Clarity, and Robert. Good morning. Emac, you don't trade ES, but when I'm seeing these levels, I think I should. Yeah, I mean, it's not, not just the levels. You also got to know kind of how to trade them, but they are pretty clear, though. I was doing that before, but took it off. I stopped doing it. I don't know. I don't think it's a bad idea. What up, Tom Brooks? Not feeling very well today, guys, so I don't know how long the stream will be. We may just try to get our one trade in to be done. I took a shot at this here. We have equal lows down at 781. We had a nice little 30-second, but obviously got stopped break even. I might try it again. We'll see. No sweep of liquidity here on this one. Could have pushed up a little more. It would have been better. Also targeting a wick. Let's see if it closes below. Good morning, Trading Mints. Hey, Evelyn. Good morning. Happy Friday. This is tough. Waiting for a reaction here. I want to see a little bit push back up. What up, Trader on Tilt? Good morning, Andrea. All right, I'm going to jump in here. This probably is break even, but stop. Oh, okay, break even. You kind of just needed it to break there. Yeah, it probably goes now. But I had to move it. I should have probably entered up here. 800. Should maybe have just pushed back up, got in there. I don't know. What up, Lassie? Fish lips, 794. Yeah, that's right there where we're at, right? I mean, we just know this hits. We know it hits, but it's one of those things. All right, we got about 12 minutes till open. Let's go over news. No real news today. You have oil at 1 o'clock, 3:30, or whatever that is. No news today, really. See what Mancini has to say. ES is at the VWAP as well. Plan today, protect gains, leave runners, 75 support. That's where we're at now. 88, 100 up next. 75 fails, we retest the 55 to 60 zone. Morning, Baz. Tom, is that right? I didn't even look. Did it not? Are you sure? Let me see. Oh, you're correct. You are correct. That was the other way around last couple of weeks, where ES was just constantly making all-time highs, and the Nasdaq was not. What up, AS? CPI data wick. I don't know, where was that at? We have a pretty big new day opening gap. I mean, that's probably where we're going. Good morning, John. Yeah, that's true, Tom. What up, Fast Eddie? Good morning, Takamura. What up, Tech T? Oh, me. Good morning, Andy. We got about 8 minutes until open here. Again, we got equal lows at 81. Got the new day opening gap down there at the 690s, 720. So probably be looking for shorts. I'd like really would like kind of a Judas swing back up at open, leave these equal lows, and then look for a playback to them. Probably don't get that, but that's going to be the only way we're going to be able to get back in this. I've taken 2 stabs at it, as you can see here. Both break even. Just, well, why'd you go break even if you think these are going to hit? Well, I mean, you just have to follow the rules. You have to follow the rules. Good morning, Thomas. Yoma in the house. Good morning, Yoma. So yeah, we're just probably going to have a shorter stream today. Look to take our funded trade and be out. Oh, you're finishing it? Nice. It's not feeling good today. Got a headache. Scratchy throat. Congestion. So maybe fish lips. We'll see. Oh, that's a good pump. That's kind of what we want to see. Oh, goodness. Sorry, guys. Savaga in the house. Oh. What happened here? What? Oh my God, I'm still in a position, guys. I literally just noticed that. I was still in a position. I swear I looked up there when I closed the trade and it said 0. That's alright. It's still in the green, but it's just the other thing I noticed before market open, I was still in a position. Yeah, I just happened to look at my P&L and I noticed it moving. I was like, what in the world? Okay, well, 35 bucks there. It took me out of everything except for the Apex accounts. That was weird. John, I was in a short from here. So, I mean, I probably should have just held it, right? Should have just been like, all right, let's just eyeball it. But Gopher's in shorts. Yeah, it was something going on, Lavi. I don't know. I got an orders, working orders and positions tab. Unless I just looked at it wrong, maybe it said 10 or something, and I saw the 0. I don't know. All right, there we go. Unfortunately, man, if we would have just not noticed, huh? Nice job, fish lips. Let's go. All right, well, that's fine. Still think we'll be looking for potential shorts that open here. Mancini says 66 magnet in the ES. As readers' newsletters know, I longed at 4 p.m. yesterday. We held exact for a 25-point pop. Noise in the middle, no change. Same. Nice job, Koper. Yeah, I noticed it. I mean, I guess maybe if ignorance is bliss there, maybe I should have just left that open. I don't know. Instinct just says to close it right away. You don't know what's going to happen, right? They have equal highs up here as well. Kind of right next to each other. Exactly, Max. Yoma, probably down. We'll see. Goodness of God, Apex just because of the scalability to 20 accounts. I like Bulenox for the upfront cost. I mean, you know, they run a lot of 90% off sales. But I think Apex is manageable as long as you stay within the rules. I like the ability to have 20 accounts, but teach his own, right? Yeah, John, that's what I do. I mean, like, it's best just to close it because that can send you on tilt, right? You take a loss that should have been break even. Because, like, if I had noticed this here at 3-4 points, I would have even taken it off there. Oh, wait a second. Is that? Are these equal highs here too? Triple? 25. They are. Excuse me, guys. I hate coughing in your face, but probably going to run through those that open. What up, Robert? To meet me in the house. Oh, man. Such a dirty close there. Morning, Fred. ES retesting 75 there. I don't know, though. So close to open, I don't think I'm going to take it, even though I think it at least is a break even. Freaking 30 seconds before open, it's going to trigger. Nope. Long on a practice account. LV, I think it makes sense. I mean, I'd go break even through the 800, though. I think a run back up in 830 might make sense. Close above there. Right there. That's your entry right at open. Morning, Dennis. Appreciate you. Nice try, wise guy. There we go. So, you know, I could have guessed entered that. Maybe would have been done for the day there, but too scary to be doing that at open. Yeah, equal highs up here, 828. I do think that's the next draw. You're 1,000 there in Monopoly bucks. Let's go. Yes, pushing up there, 78s, 77s. Just can't gamble at the open there. It's just, you know, if that setup happened 2-3 minutes before open, I would have taken it, but I just can't take that with that close to the open there. So, can't do it. $21,700. I mean, maybe, but I think we clean up the 828 first. I tend to agree. I want to see a Judas swing up, and then maybe we look for shorts. So push through the 830s, and then maybe even push the high at 840s, and then look for a short. We'll see. Eight tens here. ES back to 75s. See if it gets through the VWAP. Honey in your ears. We'll see what happens here. Oh. Pulling back into this 30-second gap here. Let's see if this thing holds up. Probably continue higher here if the ES pops the VWAP. Yeah, it's going above now. I think we push. I think we push. We'll see. We'll see what we get. Choppy open, guys. Shocker, right? We pushed up there, what, 20 points, and now we're just chopping. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Think it runs through here, but It's not going to give me a chance to get in, so. What up, Turf? Yeah, Trev, I think we go down 2, but I don't know. 1 second charts, Max. Let's get in on that 1 second chart. Yeah, starting to push. And here comes the run. I think we're about to get the run. Get back. If we get through 822 here, we're going to run, right? 820. Run into the 828s. Could long here with a reasonable stop. 8-point stop. Could. Should have closed the trade when it touched the initial TP. Oh, let's go. Nice try. Should I press the button here? I don't know. You short today, Max? Yeah, I tend to agree. We'll see. Oh. Maybe we do get a long setup here. Back to these equal highs. Nope. Yes, bouncing off the VWAP there, pushing. There we go. There it goes. Still hasn't ran it. Waiting. Triple equal highs. All right, now it ran through there. Let's see if it makes a new high. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. 844 on deck there. Let's see. He was really hoping for a pullback to be able to work for some range. Yeah. KG or point and figure candles. Never heard of them. Never heard of those. We'll see. We'll see what happens. 7 contracts, 50K account, scalping Bulenox. Yes. Option 1, goddess. Goodness of God. Break even is 9 points. And if we get like just an elevator candle through here, closes, then we'll consider something. How do we close half of a trade possible? I mean, if you're in, yeah, you change your quantity and then buy or sell based on that. Is it allowed in master account? It is allowed. Room is short. Yeah, no worries, goodness. Huh. Y'all, I think we need to tick the high first. I considered longing here, to be honest, but decided not to. Oh, scream at you. Hello. I don't know if I can scream. I don't know if I can scream. $21 EMA, yeah. True. He kind of cross held type deal. I mean, I think long here is actually semi-reasonable. I think it's decent probability, but it's not my model, so I'm not going to do it. But I think we push through the 844s here. We'll see if we displace above them or not. See if we displace above them or if we hold. Just small wick. Pretty volatile right now, too. No real displacement so far above the high. ES at the 80. Pivot point there at the 81 on ES. Nasdaq also at a pivot point there at the 45s. I don't know, Max. It might go higher. It might just go higher. Who knows? I mean, like I said, ES didn't make a new high, so like could very easily just run. Still pushing 860s. Look at this thing go. Look at it go, man. 22K maybe, Rob. Probably. Hard to bet against it, right? Yeah, Max. I mean, she's just going at this point. This does not look bearish at all. $878 is the high now. Coming up on 100 points to the upside. Let's see here. Holding your long from 800. Great job. Great job. I did not take the buy, or Bassett did. I did not. That's the kind of 100 point you want to, like, just go straight up, right? Not like my 50 point yesterday where it just doop, 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 doop. Here we are to the 900. Little 90 drama. Yes, it's weaker. Lily Phillips has a casting. No, I don't know who that is. Oh, that's crazy, Thomas. Looks like we are up, Cobb. Oh, you're asking me with P&L? I took a couple small break-even plays. I think I'm up like $20 or something. Break even. A great actress. Maybe we should look for the break and retest. We'll see, Gabriel. Trader on tilt. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm in a few minutes max. Let's see here. I'll look for a pullback. To the moon. Yeah, pull back to the 90 here. Let's see if the 90 can hold. Maybe we could take a spot here. I don't know. Seems a bit risky. This is an area where I normally would like to buy. But let's see for now. Yes, definitely behind. Past the moon is to Mars. Yeah. Yeah, it could be Bob. Who's the man? D, you the man? You took the long D? Oh. Yeah. Switch the longs, green 130. Let's go. I don't know. Mine does that too sometimes, Max. I did not take the long D. The long triggered right at open, 8:30 or 9:30, and I just couldn't take it. Oh, nice job. Nice try. I wanted to long here, but too difficult to do. Yeah, Trev. I mean, it's okay. Does make it hard. For sure to short makes it hard to short. Your paper handing. Well, there's no way resistance can only buy off. Yeah. Room short. Mm-hmm. White powder is good when you're tired. I don't know, Vince. I think everybody's gonna be looking for the gap. Yes, moving lower here. I could take a cheap trade here. I could. It's not as cheap as it was. I'm gonna try it. Oh shit, went lower than I wanted it to. And put my stop in here. Come on, go. You know you wanna. I'm gonna reduce risk here. 3 points. Back above this wick, I'm gonna go break even. Alright, I'm out. Shit. Hit that afterwards. I don't know. I still think that probably works, but I was not willing to give it enough room. Should have went already. Instinct was to kind of take it off, and I didn't, but it's all right. Down $5. $10 on some accounts after that exchange. You're actually short here. Let's go, LV. Good luck. I just thought we'd probably resweep the highs again. We didn't. That's okay. It's a little I think trade. Yes, pulling back a lot more than Nasdaq here. 350K Bulenox. You're working able to sign into Coin Tower, and my RT is working okay. Hi, Jazz. You must have something set up wrong as far as the login goes. You already signed the contracts on Our Trader Pro, you said? And ES is just ripping lower here. Already below the VWAP there on the ES. Nasdaq's really lagging behind. ES back to the 75. This thing is just moving lower. Pushing through the 21 there. It is room. Showing 3 accounts, but you did sign the forms though, iJazz? I'm assuming. Dun, dun, dun. 21 touch, yeah. Yeah, I'll go over the setup with you there, iJazz, in a few minutes. First, let me see if I can get a trade here or not. Oh, you were trading before. Oh, that's weird. ES at the 75 right there. Back into the 9. Pushing back up here, maybe retest that 90 looking like. I don't know, Yoma. All right. I don't know, Yoma. Are you taking that? I don't know, Gabriel. Short. A little short setup here I might take. Took it on 2 funders, break even. I'd probably take this short setup. I was kind of leaning for a short how the ES was looking there. No close below there. Yeah, traffic could be. Needed to kind of be here. Nothing wrong with that, Vince. Yeah, Maxie's barking. All right, I'm in. Looks like I'm going to get my face ripped off. It didn't even close below. Darn it. Come on. If this doesn't close below, then I'm going to be mad at myself. I'm going to just put my stop down. If it stops me, it stops me. It didn't close below, so stupid entry. Now break even. All right, there we go. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. All right, out there. Oh, that was a dumb entry. So dumb. Like, this is what I'm scared of today doing myself. Like, it's just a dumb entry. 6 points. Up $75. Somewhere between 75 and 100 on these. I'm not feeling comfortable here, so I'm going to turn the copy trader off. That's going to be my last funded trade. I don't know. I'm taking too many trades, so I recognize that. Your Chihuahua's barking at max. Up $100. Yeah, I'm up 100 now too, but this is the problem, Yoma. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are fine. I don't mind that. This one's dumb. And then this one, not valid. I took it before the close below. Literally closed below here, but already had hit the internal. So I'm taking trade. I'm being too aggressive. And I'm recognizing that now. It's going to end up costing me, so I'm getting off the fundeds. Yeah, it's on the fundeds. So, yeah, those are all on the fundeds. So on the my funded futures, we're at $50, right? And then our Apex PAs, $94. This one's at almost $1,000. And I'm just, it just doesn't. I don't know. The other ones are up around 600, 650. So I just don't like the way I'm trading. I don't like the way I'm trading. So I turned the copier off. We're just going to lock those for the day. I mean, these two trades here, I don't mind. There were equal lows below. I think I had the draw on liquidity right. The 9:30 a.m. I skipped. And then this one here is just like a FOMO trade, right? I mean, technically it's a breakout trade, which I shouldn't be taking anyway. like a bull flag breakout trade. And then this one, I'm just in before the thing even closes. It's just, I don't know, just not smart. Are we? Did we hit the gap fill down on the ES? Let me see. Did the ES even have that big of a gap? It did not. No, we're not there yet. On the ES, it's got to get to 62.75 to tap the gap. So it definitely looks weaker. Definitely, if you're going to be shorting, that probably, you should be shorting probably the ES, right? That would make sense. So the top of it on my chart is 62.75. Anybody else seeing that? Am I wrong? I'm marking it out wrong. Let me know. Yeah, ES does have a gap. Maybe another breakdown if she blows 60s. Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing the ES. Let me show you. I hit the wrong button, Yoma, if that's what you're talking about. So if we zoom out here, here's the gap on the ES, right? And the top of the gap fill is 62.75. So that's what I'm seeing. And Mancini's buy zone is 60 to 55. So it looks to me like if you're going to short a pair, it would be the failed breakdown of 75 here. That would be your short, and target maybe the gap fill or the 60. ES looks better than the NAS. What up, Tom Sabo, celebrity in the house? Good evening, Electronic Mods. How you doing? Trading Mints is long. Woof. Tough one, Trading Mints. Tom, how'd you do in your your London session today? I watched you for a few minutes. I don't know if you saw me in there on my alt account. I'm the one who said Tom Tua. I'm waiting on the Tom Sabo meme coin, the Tom Tua. Should have held at 850. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was going down too, but we hit the 50% mark. 2 wins, 1 loss. The Tom Tua. Tua. I thought I passed this account yesterday. Let me show you guys this. I thought I passed this account yesterday, but I did not know that this had a consistency rule. I thought my fund and futures accounts didn't have the consistency rule anymore. So I guess I made $2,100. I took another 30-point winner yesterday afternoon on this, and then so I'm guessing I need to make another 600. I don't really know. Guess I'll reach out to them and see. $820 bounce. I don't think longs are in play here, guys. I am thinking that we're selling down to the 700s here. I'm thinking that already. Now, if we tap this gap and then you get like a V-shaped and we close back above this, then it doesn't mean I won't take it. We'll see. I kind of think this is not going to be in play. I think, or unless the ES hits the 62 first, and then we kind of get a bounce. We'll see. Starter Plus has consistency. I don't know how to tell which one is which, Fred. I don't know how to tell which one I have. Anybody know how to tell? Does it say it if I scroll down? Oh. I guess that means Starter Plus if it has a P. Right? It must mean Starter Plus. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make some more money on it. I mean, it's okay. I obviously would have just lost some money yesterday if I had known that, but it's one of those things. Yeah. So if you get a V shape out of here, we're in discount of the range. ES did not come. It didn't tap that gap though. It did not tap that gap, and it came very close to it. Room's long. You didn't take the 820 bounce. Should have. It's up 25 points already. All right. I mean, I think this gap should hold. If you're looking to maybe get a reshort, this might be a decent spot for it. But, you know, whenever I do that, it never works. Treff was in Hush stream yesterday when I called out that 20-point banger at the end of the day. Yeah. Yeah, we called that out, Treff. We took that on the new Apex eval, but that's because I thought I already had that other one. This one here passed. I would have taken it on this, but I mean, like, this looks good if you're bullish. Tap into a fair value gap, sweep of liquidity. I mean, if you think we're going up, this is probably fine. Don't know if it has a clear break-even spot, really. I mean, I would anticipate this gap maybe holding, because I think we should probably move down to the new week opening gap now. We're close enough to it. 50 points away. Actually, we're a little further away than I thought. Oh, we're still 100 points away. Never mind. I don't know. I think it's okay. I might try it on my eval here. Patrick E. stops a little wide, so Patrick Whelan and Rips were all over each other this morning. Yeah, I saw that, Cover. They did kind of have me laughing. I'm gonna move my take profit up, and I'm gonna go break even at 74 if we get it. Case was dismissed. Yeah, I mean, you never know. Cases can be dismissed for a lot of reasons, but who knows? I mean, do I think it's anybody's business? I don't know. I guess at the end of the day, if you're an influencer, you know, everything's on the table, right? 74. All right, I'm going to stop to break even there, and by break even, I'm going to the oof. $66, 79. I'm just going to take it. 13 points. It barely missed my take profit there. I literally one-ticked my take profit. It was about money laundering, Tom. Apparently the details said something to the effect of stealing credit cards and using them on the black market for something. I don't know exactly. Who knows? They're watching the stream, yeah. I don't know. Who knows what's true? Who knows what's not, right? So, but who knows? They did, LV. They did. I could have left that there. It probably still hits. But 12, 13 points, which was my original target. Well, I guess we only got 11. So, I think it does hit it. Probably could have just put it to break even and left it, but I just took it. You watched it and watched Rips playing poker? Yeah. King Joffrey. No judgment. You're a recovering heroin addict. You did 10 years in a state pen and changed my life. Yeah, for sure, Tom. For sure. And great job, by the way, Tom. Great job. Listen, I'm not here to judge anybody. That's not for me to do at all. And I would never expose someone's past, or anything like that. I wouldn't. It doesn't matter to me. If people like Rips, I don't know Rips. I don't know Rips at all. I've seen like one or two of his streams. That's it. But I do know Patrick and Rips have had kind of, a little head butting back and forth over the last few months. So anytime, if you know Patrick, if he finds something on someone, he's gonna put it out there. So, but I don't really have a comment one way or the other because I don't know. I don't know the situation. Don't know the story. Who knows? Oh yeah, Fred. That's what he does, for sure. Thank you, Cofer. Appreciate that. Listen, I did a few overnights in the pen. A few overnights. I'm all right, Trading Star. How you doing? I'm on your stream. Are you streaming, Trading Star? I didn't know you were streaming. When you finally realize nothing matters and everything we think is this life is temporary. Yeah, exactly, Black Beauty. Like, Matty Matt, we're okay. We're small green, like a 75 to $100 on the eval or the fundeds. I don't know. I didn't like the way I was trading, so I put the fundeds away. So you're wondering why people care about influencer soap opera? Yeah, exactly. Tech T. Who cares? So even after your funeral, they dump a huge flower off in the casket in the trash. That is true. Foul-mouthed Patrick. He's full of himself. He is. That's always the way Patrick's been. Now I will say I do think the money's changed Patrick a little bit. He's definitely a little more. And you can call it a character, whatever. I don't know because I don't know Patrick in real life. But he's certainly more. I don't know what the word is now than he was before. Because 5-6 years ago, he's much more low key. Short, looks okay. Is it triggered yet? The 30-second did. The 30-second did trigger, looks like, but the 1 minute's not closed. The 1 minute does have two gaps. And to me, until you get below this, I wouldn't short this until we got below that inversion. I don't know that I would, but hey, Yoma, if you want it, take it. I'll follow you because you've never been caught. Yeah, your stop to break even on this 30-second short would be 846.25. So right here would be your stop to break even. Your target getting the payout. Let's go. You're shorting ES to the gap. I mean, I think ES short looks better than the NAS because it's weaker. Nutty's up today. Let's go. Let's go. You're editing, so you're not side-eyeing the market. I mean, I don't think the 30-second looks bad. The only thing I would say is wait for this inverse to break. And Yoma, this is a protected low right here now, right? Yeah, this is a protected low. Because this is a wick inside a fair value gap that we took out. So now this is a protected low. Doesn't mean it can't be broken, but it will be more difficult. So it doesn't mean you can't break this low, but this is now a protected low. So it is momentum. But probably something like this happens. ES hits the new day opening gap. We don't take that low, and then maybe then that. So good morning, up 1,300, John. Nice job. Excellent job, up 1,300. It's great. So if you're taking the short, that would be your entry. In my opinion, I think that'd be an okay spot to enter. But I don't like targeting this low. I just don't. It's not my favorite target. It could still work, but... Yes, approaching the lows now. Now, if we do break this low here, you might see a little elevator. So if we can kind of get below that low, you might see a little elevator. I'll be in 10 minutes, so yeah. Oh, I was going to subscribe to the... I forgot what I was doing there. Where's... it's Trading Star. I'm going to subscribe to your channel, Trading Star. Oh, I am subscribed. I'm already subscribed. We popped here last to come break even short. Still green candles are spent. Yeah. Now you see how difficult this is kind of being to get below that low now? And the ES is pushing down towards that gap. Yoma and Pine Tree having a love affair over here. Haha. This is really, really, man, snaky. Sorry for the hijack. Nah. All right, I'm going to end the stream here in about 4 or 5 minutes, guys. We'll watch and see what happens here. I don't think we'll get another setup, but if we do, we'll take it. Here's the eval that we're on. We're up 256 on the eval. Coming down to 800. I think so too. I mean, 800. I think we go lower. If we get to 800, I think we go lower than that. And then you can see my Apex accounts. I mean, this one's almost $1,000 in profit. Nice. Nice. But the other ones are not. And they're like $600 in profit, which is still fine. So just trying to grind those to a payout. And like the epitome of grinding is this account that's already at payout. We're at $14.41 in profit. But I really need to get this to like $2,000 before I take a payout, because I don't want to just... I could empty the account. I could take $13.41, empty the account, and just blow it. But I don't really want to do that. So we're up only $56 on that one today. A little slippage on the copier on that one. And then our other funded account on my funded futures, I guess I'll show you that one. You can see that one's $76. We're up $500. So we'll see. You did good in one Apex account, music. Also blowing the other one. Not done yet, though. You're trying to grind your way back. Hey, you know, appreciate you, LV. Took your very first payout and take private trader yesterday. In typical fashion, I tried self-sabotage the accounts today. Up 1K on personal. Nice. So you can see how how much difficulty we're having resweeping this low. Like this is what I'm talking about. This should normally, you would have just swept this. I do think we sweep this low. Like I said, we'll be getting below the VWAP there. You should get a decent candle, but until then, you don't really know. So let's see here. And also the ES might touch the gap there before we break this. We'll see. It really knows. Yeah, I'm just not feeling that great today, guys. And like I've taken, 4 trades on my fund. It's 2 break evens, 1 small loser, 1 small winner. So I feel myself like not seeing it well. You can see my executions here. 2 pre-market break evens, 1 small 3-point loser, and then 1 6-point winner. So, and then this one we did not take on everything. We just took this on the 1 eval. It's so weird how like the eval trades, for whatever reason, tend to like run straight to where your target would have been. Appreciate you, Yoma. Got trapped back to green on the pullback plus 70. Let's go. Went long at open too heavy, got scared. The long at open was freaking fire though, Pine Tree. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. You're short 2 Connies. Good luck. Room beats. You lose 850 or 810, whatever this is, 820 here, 818. This thing, we should get a big candle, in my opinion. I want to see a big candle here. A little elevator. I think a spike down into the 800 level could come quickly here if we break this. Let's wait for the elevator. Can we get the elevator? There it is. There it is. Elevator? Question mark? Good morning, live prop firm. Yeah, Trev, that's what it is, I scared you off, Tagamora. Sorry. There we go. Here comes the little mini elevator. ES is tapping the new week opening or new day opening gap. There's the new day opening gap on the ES. This is what I'm saying. So here comes the 800 level. So it's doing what we expect it to do. Just, You're up 3.5K on a sim account. Kofer, it's better to be up than down. Sim or not. Oh, you wanted to take that 780 long, but it kept saying short, so you bailed. Yeah, I mean, I was leaning short at open, but what happened? The thing is, like, did I marry the short bias? No, I didn't. As soon as I seen this, I'm like, okay, nothing about this is bearish. I think right in here I said that. It's like nothing about this is bearish. At a certain point, you got to just realize that you're wrong. Now it looks bearish. So now I think it's completely reasonable for the 720s to be in play here. Nice job, Cooper. VWAP scalp, yeah. Now, watch that 55 to 60 level there. Mancini has that as big support on the ES. That's where the new day opening gap is, so there could be a chance it just pops there. So, do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Yeah, exactly, John. I could care less. I'd rather make money. ES tapped the new day opening gap there. All right, guys and girls. All right, what's up? It's Trading Star. Let's ask your question. I'm about to go. Appreciate you, Yoma. Yeah, I got it muted just in time before the sneeze. This is okay, though. I mean, this is okay. I still think we're bearish here. Have I ever a problem with CloudBot on Streamlab? No, not really. Just make sure you give it the permissions that it needs. there's a lot of videos on it, Trading Star. Lots of videos. So you want to be right and you want to make money? Yeah, Fast Eddie, I need to take some medicine this morning. I took some last night, but not this morning. There it is, Lassie. There's your girl. The VWAP slap. Right there. Lassie's bread and butter. Zilmi, we're green about 75 to 100 bucks across 19 accounts, so we'll take it. You've done everything, but it doesn't appear. Yeah, Trading Star is one of those things where you just got to mess with it, but I can maybe reach out to you later on. Join the Discord, send me a DM. Maybe later on today I'll reach out for you, reach out and help you with it. But I'm going to go ahead and go, guys. Bulenox still 83% off. APEX still 80% off. Take Profit Trader 40% off. They'll refund your $102 fee once you take a payout. My Funded Futures 10% off. Tick Trader 40% off. If you guys want to support the channel, please use my link for those. We'll try to drop a video this weekend for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Sorry, it's short stream. I just don't feel good. And on a day like today, I know I'm just going to make bad decisions. So when you have when you have those situations, it's best just to walk away. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.